Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on my monthly time frame analysis, I'm still very bit bullish. I still think this is likely to go up and make a wave Y, which a wave Y should take out the high of wave W and the high of wave 4. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think we're already in that wave Y. I think the X ends over here. That makes this an A of Y. That makes this a B of Y. I think this is a 1. I think this is a big ABC correction for a wave 2. And I think we are already in that wave 3, which I think over the coming months will probably eventually continue the uptrend, making those higher highs and higher lows. We're probably in a subdivision right now, like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and eventually go up for the wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely a pretty solid push to the downside. On the Aussie dollar is actually quite a bit different looking than a lot of the dollar pairs right now. This one actually kind of looks like a trend, and it doesn't look like the trend is over. We don't have a break of structure to the upside yet, which makes me think that if it does go up, the next move up would actually probably be a correction to the move down, like potentially an A, potentially a B, and then go down for a wave C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So we have CPI inflation data coming out today for the US. And like I said, the Aussie is actually one of the pairs where I do kind of think it looks like it should go up. But looking at all correlated pairs and keeping that into consideration, because whatever happens on any of them is going to happen to all of them at the news today, I do think this is an A. I do think this is a B. I actually think that this is actually like a 1 of wave C, and this is potentially going to end up making a lot more movement to the downside for like a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave C to complete this downtrend, or really an ABC correction to the uptrend on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this is the structure level I'm really paying attention to for a possible turn. But like I was just explaining, I feel like this is likely a wave 1. I think that today's news might cause it to go up initially, but it might just end up being like a spike reversal type pattern, like a wave 2, and then go down for a wave 3. Most of the other dollar pairs are making me think that the dollar is going to go up, and if the dollar goes up, then the Aussie dollar would go down, potentially still all part of a wave C. Now, if it goes up and breaks structure and holds above structure really strong, then in the coming days ahead, I will definitely be looking for longs on pullbacks. If not, then I'm looking for shorts all the way. I mean, the trend is definitely down on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and possibly even the daily time frame. So the trend is your friend. So I will be looking for shorts in a downtrend, even with the CPI inflation data coming out. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.